did it not make Otto happy. He wanted more food, he said.
No, he
Had.
No, what's this word?
Had.
No. Have.
More. Poor Otto. He just had to have more.
Very good.
You go here. You can feed him a what?
Uh-oh. What does it say here? It says, I knew
what Mr. Cole had to.
No, had told. Told.
We never feed him a what? He could get in trouble. He could feed him a what? He could go.
Oh, no. What did he say? He said,
Never more than a spot or something may happen. You'll never know what. But I will.
no.
I gave
No.
all the food in the box.